Hey everyone, today we'll be looking at the secure adoption of GenAI apps using Palo Alto Network's Prisma browser. This one in specific will help prevent users from uploading, downloading, or copying Java source code files from Gemini. We get started with browsing to gemini.google.com, where the user first gets prompted with Step Up MFA. Once authenticated, we submit a prompt to Gemini, get a sample Java source code file. You would notice a label Gemini in the browser address bar. If we click on the label, we get to see all the restrictions that have been imposed by the administrator's policy. We have login restrictions. Only 2 domains are allowed to log in into Gemini, paloaltonetworks.com and Gmail. Live page scanning to scan the page content and protect against malicious codes. File restrictions are in place, blocking downloading and uploading of source code files. And finally, clipboard controls to prevent users from copying data in and out of Gemini. Now let's see all of this in action. First thing first, we'll try to download the generated source code file. And as dictated by the policy, the user request gets blocked. The next step is to try and copy the source code into another application such as Notepad. The clipboard controls instantly prevent us from doing so with a clear message that the user has been prohibited to paste data out. Finally, let's try to upload a sample source code file from the local directory. And as expected, the upload is also blocked. Now let's log in into the Strata Cloud Manager to review the underlying policy configuration along with the logs generated. Here's the policy we created. You can see the policy clearly identifies the targeted users and groups, the specific application ID, URL, and the corresponding enforcement actions. For any administrator, granular logs are absolutely crucial. Here, we can clearly see the incidents triggered because of Java source code files being uploaded and downloaded, with clear details about the user, the application, the matching policy rule, and even the screenshot of the event. By clicking Investigate, we get a comprehensive timeline view of the entire sequence of events. From the user initially navigating to gemini.google.com to the subsequent attempts to copy, paste, download, and upload files. I hope this walkthrough was informative. Thank you for watching.